What's going on, guys? Tech15 Tutorials here with you today. Today we're going to be checking out this problem I had with World of Warcraft where sometimes it wouldn't let me log in. This time we got lucky, but it takes a long time to load into the world and I'm experiencing lag in game and I get disconnected all the time and it's really obnoxious. So today we're going to be exploring why this happens. It happens a lot. I got it in Legion, and then when I upgraded to the new one, what's the new one called? The Battle for Azeroth. When I upgraded to that expansion, I started getting this lag issue, and if I had two people playing the game on my internet at the same time, it just didn't work. Both got disconnected over and over and over. So as you can see, it's taking me forever to load in to this character. And then once we get in, we'll probably have a longer time before the map even loads and my abilities load in. It takes forever and it's obnoxious. So today we're going to explore how to fix that. Alright guys, I cut forward a little bit here so that we actually loaded in, but as you can see in the top right corner, my map still has not loaded in. There it goes. Nope, it still has not loaded in. So it takes forever for things to load. Unfortunately, there's no one moving around me right now, but you'll see other characters running around will jump around instead of actually moving. It's really laggy, and when you click abilities to attack a character, it takes a second before the ability actually kicks in. So what you want to do is you want to go into your system settings here, and you want to go under network. And in here we have enable IPv6. This was the problem for me. I have IPv6. A lot of people do. If you don't want to enable this because it will not fix your problem. But if you do have it, then you want to enable it because defaultly it'll be using your IPv4. And if you have IPv6, that's kind of what your internet runs off of. Another one is this optimized network for speed. If you have a slower internet connection and you have this checked, you might want to uncheck it if you're having lag issues after the IPv6 problem. This will optimize the game to use a lot of bandwidth. Advanced combat logging should also be unchecked if you're having lag issues. If you have this checked and you want to keep it checked, try the ones above first, but unchecking this definitely helps with your lag. So yeah, that's all you have to do. Go into network, and then after these fixes you should be fine. So thanks for watching and hope this helped you. Peace.